Hey there riders and rev heads, welcome back to the channel, where we break down the machines that move your soul and ignite your passion for the open road. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out on the latest rides, reviews, and everything in between. This is the channel where horsepower meets heritage and performance shakes hands with personality. Let's kick things off with the basics. The original V-Rod shook up Harley's lineup with its water-cooled, high-revving Revolution engine. It was co-developed with Porsche and built to fight back against the metric muscle cruisers that were dominating the market. The V-Rod was loud, fast, aggressive, and controversial, a Harley that didn't sound or behave like a Harley. And now, in 2025, it's back to disrupt again, but with a whole new edge. Let's talk suspension. Up front, you've got a 43mm inverted Showa SFFBP fork, fully adjustable. In the rear, there's a horizontally mounted monoshock with remote preload and rebound adjustment. This setup allows the V-Rod to handle corners with authority while still soaking up bumps on those long highway pulls. It's a true dual-natured machine, and that's what sets it apart from both traditional cruisers and sport bikes. Braking is just as impressive. Dual 320mm front discs with Brembo 4-piston radial calipers provide exceptional stopping power, while a 300mm rear disc adds stability and confidence. ABS is standard, of course, but Harley also includes cornering ABS, linked braking, and traction control as part of the new Reflex defensive rider system, which also includes lean-sensitive stability control and tire pressure monitoring. Basically, you're getting performance and safety tech on par with any premium European bike, but with that unmistakable American muscle feel. And here's something for the digital generation. Harley has added an integrated app experience that syncs with the V-Rod's electronics. You can plan routes, track ride data, locate your bike, and even update your firmware over the air. It's part of the brand's evolution to stay connected with younger riders, and it works seamlessly with iOS and Android. Now let's talk pricing. The base model starts around $20, $999, which puts it in the same league as high-end cruisers and sport touring machines. But when you factor in the performance, the tech, the legacy, and the customization potential, the 2025 V-Rod delivers serious bang for the buck. And let's be real, this isn't just about price. It's about presence. When you roll up on a V-Rod, people take notice. The engine note, the low-slung silhouette, the aggressive attitude, it commands respect. This rebirth of the V-Rod is Harley-Davidson's answer to critics who said the brand was stuck in the past. It's proof that Milwaukee can do high-performance, cutting-edge tech, and world-class engineering, all while staying true to that iconic Harley spirit. It's not trying to be a Ducati. It's not trying to be a Japanese rocket. It's a V-Rod. It's its own animal. And it's one hell of a ride. In a motorcycle world that's split between tradition and innovation, the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod walks the line with swagger. It gives you the power of a modern sport bike, the soul of an American cruiser, and the personality of a street brawler. It's the kind of bike that makes you look back every time you park it. The kind of machine that makes you take the long way home, every time. So who is the 2025 V-Rod for? It's for the rider who wants it all. The weekend warrior who tears up the twisties. The city commuter who craves presence. The long-haul rebel who demands comfort without compromise. If that sounds like you, then the V-Rod isn't just a good choice, it might be your destiny. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod, make sure to smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know, would you ride this beast? And what would you customize first? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on more rides, reviews, and real talk from the world of two wheels. Whether you're a cruiser king, a sport bike shredder, or just love the roar of freedom, this is your place. Thanks for watching, stay safe, ride smart, and as always, keep the rubber side down. Catch you in the next one.